Imagine waking up to a fresh opportunity to change your life with just a few clicks. In today's video, I'll show you how people are earning thousands of dollars online by creating viral videos using AI tools, even without prior editing experience. Yes, you heard that right. From the comfort of your home, with no fancy equipment, you can tap into the power of AI and ride the wave of affiliate marketing success. Stick around because I'm not only going to reveal how you can do this, but I'll walk you through every step to create videos that can potentially go viral. Let me paint a picture for you. There's a website called Calidata that tracks trending products and affiliate earnings. In just 1 week, accounts have earned $336,380, $8,160, and $3,160 promoting products. But what really caught my eye was a fairly new account with only 6,000 followers that made over $60,000 in the last month by promoting a simple product, coconut pulling oil. The kicker? They didn't even have the product in hand. They created videos entirely with AI-generated images and voiceovers. This shows how anyone, no matter where they are or what resources they have, can make this work. Let's break this down into actionable steps. The first thing you need is a product to promote. Is the easiest part because there are countless options out there, from beauty items to gadgets. Once you've picked your product, like the Guru Nanda coconut pulling oil that generated $8,410 in revenue, the next step is to study what's already working. Find a competitor's video with high engagement, something with millions of views, and use it as inspiration. This is where ChatGPT comes in handy. Transcribe the competitor's video, then prompt ChatGPT to rewrite it in the same tone, style, and structure. You'll have a unique but proven script ready to go in no time. Now comes the fun part. Creating visuals. Using tools like Midjourney, you can generate stunning AI images that match the scenes in your script. For example, if the script talks about oil pulling, you can create a compelling image of white teeth with oil dripping. If it mentions fresh breath, try visuals of mint leaves or greenery. Break your script into lines, assign visuals to each one, and soon you'll have all the elements needed for your video. And don't worry about the technical side. I'll show you how to automate this process to save hours. Once you have your script and visuals, it's time to bring everything together using InVideo AI. This tool takes your text and turns it into a complete video with voiceovers, transitions, and even background music. You can customize the video to add your own voice or use the platform's voice cloning feature for a personal touch. With just a few tweaks, your video will look polished and professional, ready to captivate your audience. But here's the twist. What if you're in a country where TikTok Shop isn't supported? No problem. Many of these top-performing products are also available on Amazon. You can join Amazon Associates, their affiliate program, and promote the same products using your videos. It's all about adapting and finding solutions rather than focusing on limitations. By following these steps, you can create viral videos that not only generate views, but also bring in affiliate commissions. It's a simple yet effective method that anyone can start, regardless of experience or resources. So what are you waiting for? Start researching products, crafting scripts, and creating videos that have the potential to change your life. Remember, the only thing standing between you and success is the action you take today. Let's get started.